Okay, so to create this, all I did was first I just jotted down in my notes on my phone what the story I wanted to tell. Now, if you don't have a story, you can always go to chat or whatever AI system you use and get some ideas. So once I put my notes into chat, I asked it to break down it into prompts. I need prompts for the character, and I need prompts for the background, and also how prompts on how to the best way to word it for my image to video when I go to my other software for that. So that's where I started. You can see right here on the screen, I just have scene one, scene two, and so on. So step two is going to consistent characters.ai. And I'm just going to go to character turbo, that's step two. And I'm going to just copy and paste, and I want to make some edits, but copy and paste your prompt into consistent character.ai. And it also has the background that I'm just going to copy in. So that's what I'm going to do. Okay, so I have my character information. I got 35-year-old, black, whatever. She's sitting calmly on a cushion, eyes closed, relaxed, serene expression. She's calm. She's in her bedroom space, soft, natural light, peaceful. I got the stylist Pixar. And as for the um, aspect ratio, I'm going to do the 16:9 and generate. We have the image of the first scene. She's sitting down, cross legs, doing a yoga pose in meditation. So what I'm going to do is now I'm going to click on the image, and for the next scene, we're just going to edit her action. So I have the next image is going to be same woman, of course, sitting cross-legged, blah, 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 eyes closed. And this time I want one hand placed over her heart, and then a soft emerald green glow radiating from her chest. So edit action, and let's go to scene two. And let me say one hand over heart, green glow radiating from chest. Ooh, that is perfect. Okay. So I like that. Okay, so the next step is to go to Canva, and I'm going to sharpen my images. So all you do is upload them to Canva. There's the upload tab, just upload the photos. And then I scroll down to, or you can search if you don't have it in your um, sidebar, but you're going to search for image upscaler. And I'm just going to upscale it. You could do 4x, 8x, whatever. Let's see. Okay, so once it's finished upscaling, you just hit replace. You can see, the difference, but just hit replace, and it will automatically upload your image. It's already clearer. Look at that. So much clearer. Okay. But once you do that with all of your images, then we go to step three or step four, and that would be converting these images into moving videos. Okay, so for the final step, we're in Google's Flow or VO3. So I signed in, and right now I'm going to change this from text to video to frames to video. And I'm going to upload my image. I'm going to copy my prompt that chat gave me for scene one. Copy that in. And then going to upload my first image. that. And image one. Cropped and save. Yes. And for my prompt, she's sitting cross-legged in meditation. She's softly breathing for the motion and subtle camera zoom in, warm sunlight flickering softly. Okay, so for my first image, it generated the video. And let's just play to see what it happened. Okay, so for my first image, it generated the video. And let's just play to see what it happened. Love it. All right, so let's move on to the next scene. So scene two. Okay, so I'm on that fifth image, and so far so good. I'm just going to play it all together later on when it's completed, but I'm just copying the fifth image to text prompt and changing this to frames to video. And then I'm going to click on this plus, upload the image, and save that, crop and save, and then generate this one. Now these do generate, faster than some other softwares that I've used. When you do use VEO3, aka Flow with Google, the first month is free. It is, I believe, $20 a month for 1,000 credits, but you can always buy more credits. And I think the next tier is like 2,500 credits for $24. It's not per month, but it's just the extra credits. So, just keep that in mind. Be mindful of what you want to create. So far, with the 1,000 credits, I have been able to generate these videos. It gives you two versions of each video. Um, and the credits are now down to 160 credits after these two generate. Will it be enough to generate this sixth scene? I don't know, but I will let you guys know, and I will upgrade to more credits. Um, but yeah, this is VEO3, aka Flow with Google, and stay tuned for the full short.